Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 10 Mensuration, Exercise 10.3, question number 3. Find the volume of the largest right circular cone that can be cut out of the cube whose edge is 7 centimeters. Question number 3. Find the volume of the right circular cone can be cut out a cube whose edge is 7 centimeters. Height of the cone is equal to height of the cone is equal to edge of the cube is equal to 7 centimeters. Radius of the cone is equal to cut out from cuboid edge. Radius of the cone is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. We know that volume of cone is equal to, find out volume of a cone. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height 7 cancel. 2 11 ja 22 is equal to 11 into 7 7 ja 49 by 3 2 ja 6. 49 into 11 9 4 9 4 9 9 plus 4 13 539 539 by 6. Do the division. 539 by 6. 6 8 ja 48. 13 minus 8 5. Take 9. 4 minus 4 0. 6 9 ja 54. 9 minus 4 5. Take point and 0. 6 8 ja 48. 10 minus 8 2. 4 minus 4 0. 6 3 ja 18. Therefore volume of cone is equal to 89.83 cubic centimeters.